And that is how I invented free energy. I know. It's just that simple. I'm just glad I finally got able to tell everybody what I knew. And you've been watching. No. Sorry, everybody. Don't know why we went offline there. I hope you guys find your way back. But so, maybe that was a good place to stop this conversation about... oh, good. Kizzy's back. About ceremonies. So, ceremony is just any way, any kind of formal practice that you have that'll get your body, mind, spirit, and emotions in the right place to receive knowledge from the Creator, to receive healing, to receive whatever. I don't know if I'd been cut off when I was saying this. Throughout history, in every religion, in every walk of life, there are stories. More stories than Bigfoot even. Of people getting healed through prayer. I just heard of a man who prayed for healing and felt a burning shock through his leg for a moment, and then it went away. And he's walking normally. He goes, yeah, it's fine now. People have gone into remission and been cured of cancer through prayer. Honestly, naturally, I wouldn't begin to understand why some people get healed and some don't. Maybe we're not meant to be healed. But, you can heal your body, you can heal your mind, you can heal your emotions. Your spirit, I suspect you don't even need to heal your spirit. Like lots of times people say, oh, he's got an evil spirit. Or, he's soulless. I think everybody has a pure soul. I think. But then like their emotions and their body and their mind get so ugly that their souls, you can't see their beautiful soul anymore. Like underneath all that grossness of Hunter Biden, that guy was once a little kid with a beautiful soul. Now he just does whatever his appetite wants him to, whether it's drugs or snagging his sister-in-law after his brother dies or whatever gross thing he's into. And, you can pick any number, 1 million people who don't seem to have souls. I think they do. I assume that, everybody's good in the end. They just behave badly and think bad. All right. So, ceremony, prayer. I don't know. I hope that helps a little bit. Thank you for asking me about it, Kizzy. Because sometimes when somebody asks me a question, it's like, oh, this might be a good time for me to see if I even understand the answer. And then I think Gitchimanadu just kind of goes, yeah, tell him this. Is that how that works?
Yes, it's called inspiration, me son.
Inspiration?
Yeah, like the artists and the poets and stuff. When you are in spirit, when you're in the right frame of mind, I'll communicate with you. And I might inspire you to do a painting, but I can just inspire you to say certain words. I put certain ideas in your head as you were talking, so you could be helpful to the people.
Oh, that's nice. Miigwech, Gitchimanadu.
Oh, it ain't nothing but a thing.
All right. So, I think I'm going to go back. Beep. Hello. Hi, sweetie. It's Nanabuju. Oh, hi. How you doing? Oh, pretty good. Our show went offline for a minute there. Oh, I know. It does that sometimes. I don't know why that is. Yeah. I mean, we're literally like 5 feet away from the router box. But who knows? Sweetie, would you mind teleporting me home? Oh, I'd be happy to. Hang on. I want to lock in on your coordinates. Okay, locking in. 1 to teleport back. You ready, sweetie? Anytime. Okay, hang on. Oh, thanks. How is it out there? Gorgeous. You know. I mean, because I'm a Minnesotan, warm, but actually it's perfect. It's just beautiful out there. Did you talk about what you wanted to talk about? Yeah, kind of. I told a story about when I went on a fast, and I can't even blame my blood sugar. When you go on a fast, like my cousin said, "Oh, I'm not going on a fast. I'm going on a slow. I'm going to sit here and eat and watch a Food Network." But a fast is when you don't eat. And I was fasting for one day. But I told him about the time when I was doing my gratitude list, and I thanked the Creator for my eyesight. Oh, and you just started crying? Yeah. You know, because I'm a man, I'm not supposed to cry. I'd like to blame it. Oh, I didn't have any breakfast that day. You know, low blood sugar. But it wasn't that. No. I think I had a spiritual experience. Yeah, I sure did. Have you ever had a vision? I don't think so. Have you? No, I've had some weird dreams that are... No, not visions, though. I've had people visit me in dreams. Like people who died? Yeah. Yeah, me too. But have you ever had an actual vision? Like where, saw a buffalo or something? Eagle. Like I see eagles at weird times sometimes. Yeah, me too. Is that a vision? The vision of an eagle. I don't know. But yeah. No, even when I've been in sweat lodges and that, I used to, when I first started sweating in my early 20s, so I was living out in North Dakota, and me and Scotty would go up to Grand Forks and sweat with these Dakota guys. And man, just hardcore spiritual dudes. We go out and, way on the edge of this, like, horse field, whatever, and have, like, a shelter belt thing. And their sweats would just be hotter than hot. And, what was I talking about with those guys? Oh, having visions. These guys, every time they would go into the sweat lodge, they'd be like, oh, yeah, I saw an eagle. I heard a bear. I saw a Graham Greene. Adam Beach came to me in the sweat lodge. I had a vision. But every time I went in, they're like, oh, we didn't see anything. What's the difference this time? Oh, you. Why don't the spirits want to come in here when you're here? I was like, I don't know. Is it because I'm praying to Jesus while I'm sitting in the sweat lodge? But I ruin sweats for a lot of people. I think it's because I'm praying to Jesus. Yeah. I don't know. But no, I don't think I've ever had a proper vision like that. Although, remember in Thunderheart? Yeah. Old Val Kilmer? Yep. Val Kilmer has a vision when he was dreaming. Yeah, when he was running with the ancestors? Yeah. Being hunted by, Wild Bill or Buffalo Bill. Or who's that guy? Custer. Yeah. By Custer and those guys. General George Armstrong Custer. So he had a vision in a dream. Maybe I've had dreams that were visions. I can't remember. Maybe all dreams are visions. They might be. Maybe people don't realize they're having visions all the time. Yeah, they could be. Anyway. You want to get up here and say hello to the crew? To the Boozhoo crew? I'd love to. All right. We're going to let Natasha come up here. Before that, I'd like to play a little something here. All right. It never lets me do this the first time around. No. I like to bring the show to a screeching halt before you come up. I know. Okay, here's the intro. Michael Lyons has some books for sale on Amazon.com. And a lot of them are in Ojibwe language. A lot of them teach a lot, meaning 3, teach Ojibwe language. And there's some coloring books and some comic books. And they're all available on Amazon.com. But this book in particular, I think is your best book. Even more than a gibberish. For what it does, kind of. I mean, Gibberish is a far superior, is a bigger book, and it's got more pages, and it's got the little cutie story. But Dog and My Ingun is just a simple, like, reading to a 2-year-old book. And it's also a part of the coloring book. Give me one. But this is a commercial for Dog and My Ingun. And up next, Natasha. Beijing. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Anamosh. I will see you again. Igawaba min, minawa, hoa. How was that? Oh, you did just good.
Gigawaba min, Manawa. I'll see you again.
Dog and My Ingun.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
Bonjour.
1.
Beijing.
1 dog.
Beijing Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijing My Ingun.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migizi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asi Banang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and My Ingun.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.
I like that. The little laser beam. Bonjour, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And, Kizzy Renee, bonjour. And Jessica Waboos, bonjour. And always learning. Kizzy says, I am so thankful you are here to teach. Thank you for explaining to me. Did you hear that, Nana Bonjour? Oh, it's my pleasure, Kizzy. And she says, going to order after the show. Michael, she's going to order your book. Thank you, Kizzy. It means a lot to me. Miigwech. Are these read-alouds? Well, when you read them aloud. No, they're not. There's no recording on them. That'd be cool, though. I think that's what a read-aloud is. Although, if you need some help with the pronunciations, always come back here. But you can also just Google Dog and My Ingun and probably find that very video on YouTube. And so you could play the video while you have the book. Anyway, we haven't even done an Ojibwe word of the day yet. What is this? What's going on here? I don't know. Ishwa anima e gisha good. It's the day after prayer day. Monday. Monday, Monday, la la, la 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 la. Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. I'm gonna shoot oot the whole day down. Down. The Boomtown Rats. I know, what a great band. Mary on the fourth form. Anybody remember the Boomtown Rats? Not many people know the Boomtown Rats, but everybody from my generation remembers Live Aid. We are the world. We are the children. The lead singer of the Boomtown Rats, his name was Bob Geldof. Is he still alive? I think so. Bob Geldof is that guy who is sort of the main guy in Live Aid. He was in a band called the Boomtown Rats. Let's see what else I'm gonna say about that. We are the world. Oh yeah, so Live Aid in 1985 for any young people. Back in the days of their grandfathers, your grandparents thought, hey, look at all those starving children in Africa. We got to do something. I know. Let's put on a big old rock show. And we can invite Bob Geldof and, Queen and David Bowie and, Led Zeppelin, U2, and just every big act of the time. And they all wrote a song that's just impossible to listen to. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. This song sucks for so many reasons. You get to see how bad their singers all really are, even though they're in tune. It was like the worst song Lionel Richie ever had anything to do with. We are the world. Anyway, they were going to raise money and give it to a bunch of children in Africa. And I'm thinking, these kids need food, you idiots. They need food, not your money. You can't eat money. It's only when all the lakes dry up and the forests are gone where the white man will finally understand. You can't eat money. Keep your money. I don't need you, Junior. What are you talking about? I have no idea. And so they had a big old rock concert. And it came out years later. Did you know about this, about U2? Oh, that they only donate 1% of their earnings? Yeah. Sunday, bloody Sunday. So U2, they're up there. Oh, we're going to save the world with their songs. We're one, but we're not the same. Who knew that song One by U2? Yeah. That was actually about how much, what percentage of their money they donate to charity. Yeah, that's pretty good. 1%. They just keep all that money. U2, they're the worst. We are the world. We'll give 1% of our earnings, but we're not gonna give 99%. Yeah. I used to love U2. Now I can't even listen to them. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Monday, bloody Monday. So, Live Aid, man. So they had this big old concert, and they raised a bunch of money, and then they took a plane, and they flew over Africa, and just poured bags of American money out. And that's how we solved starvation in Africa. Thank you, rock stars. Oh, but anyway, so Monday, he wrote a song called I Don't Like Mondays. How do you feel about Mondays, sweetie? How do I feel about Mondays? Yeah. Well, now I don't mind. because we did just do the show. But I used to hate them when I had a job.
Yeah. Mondays suck if you have to go to a place you don't want to be. Monday, bloody Monday. Hey, Daniel Black's here. Bonjour, Daniel. He goes, I'm late to the show. What the heck? And then Missy, bonjour, Missy. Cousin Missy's here.
I thought you was in Hawaii.
Not yet. What does Missy have to say? La la la. Nice commercial. Oh, thanks. Okay, I will definitely be back to continue learning. Miigwech. Gigababa min minawa, kissy. But Daniel Black says I'm late, and then Missy says, and it's part 2, Daniel. Oh yeah, we're part 2. We're taking a deuce. You know your man is working hard. Jessica Boo says, were you watching the Facebook show because you thought it was still live? Oh, yeah, Daniel, we were watching Facebook going, oh, I guess he's not going on YouTube today. La, la, la. I was tricked, but I'm here now. Yeah, Daniel, you gotta get up pretty early in the morning to trick Daniel, and that's exactly what we did. Da, da, da. When you first said I don't like Mondays, my first thought was of Brenda Spencer. Who's Brenda Spencer?
I don't know.
Is that a Canadian thing? Brenda Spencer. Or did she remake it, maybe? Daniel Black says, anyway, Glasgow is a good done the transport museum back at the hotel. Yeah, I'm glad you made it back from Glasgow. Okay. We were just talking about the Boomtown Rats. I bet you Daniel knows who the Boomtown Rats are.
Oh, for sure he does.
Boomtown Rats. What was the other one they had? Tell me why. Seal said, sitting in the front row, marrying a fourth form, turning all the boys on, just turning all their heads around. There's some better ones. And it's a tonic for the troop. But, so, anyway, what time is it? Oh, there you go, 9 o'clock on the spot. Is there any more Ojibwe we can teach?
I think there's one more.
Miigwech ishi b'madazian. Thank you for my life, Gitchimanadu.
Oh, you're very welcome, my daughter.
Oh, hi. Ladies and gentlemen, Gitchimanadu. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm everywhere at all times. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm doing a show.
I know, my dear.
So yeah, Gitchimanadu, it's a great spirit. He's the creator. And a big fan of the show, too, huh?
I love the Buju Nana Buju podcast.
That's cool. So, this is a good prayer you can say to Gitchimanadu, huh?
Oh, you just tell me what you're feeling and I'll listen.
And so, you say Miigwech, thank you. Kaishi, it's like 4. B'madazian, my life.
Hey, sweetie,
Yeah?
you've got a phone call.
Oh, really? I wonder who that could be. What line?
On line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to Buju Nana Buju. You're on the air.
Jawohl. Hello. Oh, hello, Natasha. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. How you doing, Adolf?
I am very, very good. Very good indeed. And I like what you're teaching today.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is very important that the children learn how to say, thank you for my life.
Why?
Well, because that's what all the Jews who I spared, they came up to me afterwards. They say, hey, Adolf, thank you for my life.
They did not.
No, nobody ever thanked me for not killing them. I know, sometimes I get so angry
Why?
because nobody ever thanks Adolf.
Well, I thank you sometimes.
Oh, what have you ever thanked Adolf for?
I thank you for your lovely paintings.
Oh, that's true. You do like my paintings, don't you?
Yeah, in fact, I even have one right here. Did you guys know Adolf Hitler was a painter? It's true. And we like to talk about art here sometimes. But I ran across this morning. Is it cool if I share your painting?
Oh, I'd be delighted if you shared my painting. I love it when you show my paintings.
So this is Adolf Hitler's painting. I don't even know what it's called. Adolf, what's this Hitler called? What's his painting called?
Oh, that one I call Winter at the Lovely Building.
You do not.
Oh, that's true. I don't remember.
But it's a winter scene. It's an insanely good painting of a building. Let me get this a little bigger. You know, there's a guy and riding a horse, a little man. And you signed it too, huh?
Ah, yes, I signed all of my paintings.
A. Hitler. But no one ever wants to talk about your paintings.
I know, it makes me so sad.
Does it, or does it just make you mad?
Oh, you know, I kind of express my feelings the same way.
Anyway, I'm going to get rid of that. So, as opposed to this guy, what do you think of Van Gogh?
Van Gogh is a countryman. I appreciate all of my German fellow artists.
Really? What do you think of this?
Oh, is that one of Van Gogh's?
Yeah, this is like his most famous painting.
That is his most famous painting? It's garbage.
Yeah, I know. That's a Vincent van Gogh. Why do we teach kids Vincent van Gogh, but we don't teach people Adolf Hitler?
Well, sadly they do. All they tell the kids are the bad things about me. I get so frustrated.
Yeah, I know you do, huh? But anyway, this is a Van Gogh. And for my money, Adolf, I think your paintings are better than Vincent van Gogh's.
Oh, you're much too kind.
Yeah, huh? Anyway, so what can I do for you today?
Well, I'm wondering if I could teach the Ojibwe word of the day.
Well, we already kind of covered it. It's miigwech ka'iji b'madaziyan is one phrase.
Miigwech ka'iji b'madaziyan.
Yeah, only don't say it like you're doing one of your speeches.
Oh, you cheeky little girl. You know, there was a time you would not dare talk to the Pharaoh in such a manner.
Why? What would you do?
Oh, never you mind. Miigwech ka'iji b'madaziyan. Thank you for my life.
Okay. Anything else I can do for you?
Well, how do you say that day after prayer day? I want to say day after prayer day.
Well, you would say, Ishwa, anama e gishagud.
Ishwa, anama e gishagud. Oh, that's a very good word.
Yeah. All right, I better get going. It's getting late.
Okay, well, how is it that you say, I will see you again, Natasha?
We say, Gigawaba min minawa.
Then let me say, Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Okay, jeez. See you later, Adolf. Okay, toodaloos. I can't tell if he sounds more German or more North Korean.
Yeah, sometimes it kind of sounds like Kim Jong-un or whoever that kid is.
Big fat double R. All right. Well, everybody, I guess that's all the time we have for today. Oh, Missy just said Van Gogh also committed suicide. That's true, huh? Why did Van Gogh commit suicide?
Because you're such a crappy painter.
Don't say that. He committed suicide. Sad.
You know, the only thing would be sadder than Van Gogh committing suicide?
What?
That he lived and kept painting.
That's terrible. I'm going to quit the show before you say more bad stuff about Van Gogh.
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, the delicate little flower. Over here,
Yeah.
the ruggedly handsome Nana Boozhoo.
Bonjour, everybody. Thank you so much. Miigwech. Thank you for watching the show.
here we got Michael Lyons.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for watching.
And we'll be back tomorrow. We're not going to do a Facebook. We'll just be here at 8. Daniel. Sweetie, teleport me away.
You got it.
Kika Min, Manawa.